Lisa.
What up, Lisa?
What are you doing? How dare you still eat ice cream? I already ate all mine.
Hey, you got a little cup. I got a cone and ice cream.
Who
Who
you calling who has a little cup?
You.
How dare you say that? I have a little cup, but you have a big old cone. You have the smallest cone in history.
Well, at least I live on a planet called Earth, and you live on a planet called Mars.
If I lived on Mars, there's no Earth. There's no living things on Mars, you dumbo.
You.
Yeah.
The aliens sent you here because they thought you were too serious and annoying.
Too serious. I love being serious. Serious is my middle name.
I thought it was Rick.
Rick for who? No, I think that's your middle name. Your middle name is Rick. My middle name is This is Serious.
Mine is Anissa Isabella.
Somebody wants to be nasty. So, Anissa, get a hold of yourself right now. She pushed me.
This is our show. And it's a She has an ugly face. Look at this cutie right here.
Or do you think I'm cuter?
Here.
I know where the camera is.
Oh, you would have.
Hello. So, how's everybody doing?
Yeah.
And Anissa, stop agreeing with everything I say.
Mars girl.
Earth girl.
No.
Disgusting.
No. Oh, you just made me radical. Busted, disgusted, can't be trusted.
Who
What?
can't be trusted?
What?
You?
Watch Jack and Jill and you'll see that.
I'm not watching Jack and Jill. The only thing I know is Jack and Jill went up the hill and fetched a pail of water. I don't know.
And then Jack fell down the hill.
Little Miss Muffet sat on the tuffet. And what?
And the spider came down. I don't remember how the old bridge was. Busted, disgusted, can't be trusted.
The mouse ran over the clock. The mouse ran over the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Oh, sorry. I just wanted to see how that went. Earthquake! Just kidding! There's really no earthquake.
Unless you fart and die.
Anissa, it's so not funny. Get over it, girl.
Stop being so to the bathroom.
No one wants to know what you did. They just wanted to know that if you were coming back.
Yeah,